You're just one call away from your whole life changing. One call away from $10,000. Now, it might seem that's like a fairy tale or a pipe dream or like way crazy out in the future, but you've seen from freewholesaling.com, almost 25,000 people joined this year. In the first 4 months of this year, we almost have 25,000 people in the free wholesaling community that joined. And of those people, we have so many of these people have just decided to make one call and their whole life changed and they make $10,000. Now, you've seen the tens of thousands of people that lives have been changed from this YouTube channel and from my content on how to get started wholesaling real estate. And you see the other of these people who become millionaires from my content. This stuff doesn't come from coincidence. This stuff doesn't happen from luck or how easy this business is. It's all from the people that decide that they're ready to make a change. The ones that decide that this call, I don't care how tired I am, I don't care how sick I am of wholesaling or sick of cold calling, I'm just going to do it. This is all about the action taking and the hard work and the grind that makes the successful people. And what I'm telling you is if you just choose one list, make one call, you have the chance of making $10,000. Now, what if I put this into perspective to you as a lottery ticket? Let's say if you could play the lottery, and it was a 1 out of 10,000 chance that you get $10,000 playing this lottery game. And you could buy as many tickets as possible. Each ticket is $1. Would you play that game? Probably not. That's pretty stupid, right? I spend $5 grand, 50-50, I make 10 grand. That's basically a casino. And yeah, I could buy all 10,000 tickets. Yeah, I'll make the same amount of money. But what if the tickets were free? What if the ticket was $0 and you have a choice in the month that you could take 100 tickets, 1,000 tickets, or maybe even 9,999 tickets, and they're free, and you make 10 grand. Would you do it? Yeah, you would literally do anything possible to do it. What if it was like, okay, well, you had to go walk a lap around an Olympic track, which is a quarter mile to get one ticket. You'd be running around every single day. You'd make it your full-time job. You throw headphones in and just start going, right? But the thing is, you guys will look at it like a almost 100%, it has to be guaranteed no matter what. And let me be completely honest with you. There's no magic fairy. There's no magic person. There's no crazy spirit out here that's going to hand you $10,000 from just doing nothing. That's going to give you $10,000 this month guaranteed by you not doing anything that is going to contribute to society. Now, you watch rich people walk around your city or your street or, in all these fancy places, and you wonder, how are they so rich? How are they able to make $10,000 in an hour? And I struggle to do that in a half a year. The reason is how much value this person has gained to society. Or if it's like a rich kid, how much their parents or grandparents created in society. They got people that created like the microchip, and they're still getting paid from the patents from that from long ago. But it's because somebody in their family or someone created value in society. You are paid in proportion to the problems you solve. And if you're somebody who solves air conditioning, people in Florida, Arizona, and Texas are going to pay you very well for your invention. If you invent nothing and you provide nothing to society, you are not going to be paid well. If you're a really good quarterback and you can win a Super Bowl like Jalen Hurts, you're rewarded very well. You get paid tens of millions of dollars a year. And if you're a really bad quarterback, I don't know, any Cleveland Browns football quarterback for the past 20 years, except for you, Jameis, we love you, you don't get paid as well. And what I mean by this is you are paid in this society, in the world, as a human being for the value that you create. Now, this could be some capitalistic, oh, society's terrible because that's what it is. That's not your true value as a human being. I agree. Your value as a human being is not how much value you economically bring to the world, because there's some really bad people that do this. But when we're talking about the laws of money, financial literacy, understanding how the game of money works that nobody in school is going to teach you, this is a cold, hard truth. So if you're watching this and you want to make $10,000, you're going to have to provide at least that much in value to society. Now, Economics 101 clearly states someone has to give you this $10,000. That is how the economy in the United States works, and if you're virtually wholesaling around the country or the world. Well, okay, who in their right mind is going to give me $10,000? I have nothing of value. Well, you actually can, and here's the most interesting part. If you're watching this and you know about the United States of America, we got the United States flag behind us, Everyone knows the United States is the largest country when it comes to GDP or gross domestic product. It is the largest economy in the world. Okay, that means the richest people and the richest country in the world is the United States. Well, how do most people in the United States make money? This is pretty easy. It's through real estate. Most people make their money in the United States through real estate, either owning real estate, buying their first home and the equity appreciates, being a realtor, whatever it is. Real estate is the #1 wealth generator in the United States of America, the largest economy on earth. Wow, maybe I should get into the real estate game. Yes. Now you might ask the question, Zach, what is the fastest way to make money in real estate? I have no money. What's the fastest way I can make money in real estate? Wholesaling houses, baby. That's why you're watching me, right? Because you want to start wholesaling houses. Now, the thing about wholesaling houses is you are providing a service for rich people. You are providing contracts to rich landlords and rich house flippers. Remember, this is the largest economy in the whole world. Really start thinking about that. I've been around the entire world, and the most money by far is in the United States. Everyone says, oh, the Middle East. Guys, the Middle East is a lot of money, but if you go to like Dubai, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, they're actually really tiny countries. A lot of money in the cities, but the entire country is not massively rich compared to the United States. Not a lot of people know this, but the United States actually produces more oil than these Middle Eastern countries. It's crazy. But the thing about it is these rich people buy real estate in the United States. And a lot of them, when they start making a lot of money, they are looking to buy rentals. And even these other rich people, or people who aren't rich or looking to become rich, they buy houses and flip them and sell them to people who make money looking to buy a house, right? You flip the house, you sell it to an end buyer, which is a mom and pop family, buying a home, so-called the American dream. So everyone wants to buy a house. Everyone is technically a buyer of a piece of real estate that you lock up under contract. So that's what wholesaling real estate's all about. You find ugly houses, either by calling them, sticky notes, whatever it is, and you lock the property up and you sell it to a rich landlord or house flipper, and you feed this economy, you feed the largest real estate market out there. That's how we get rich. This is why when you have no money at all, these people who are buying a ton of rental properties, these other hedge funds too, people looking to flip houses, so many of these people looking to just own the house, right? Everyone wants to own a house, right? All of those people will pay you if you can get a property under contract for a discount because they're not willing to do it. This is a very, very specific skill set that I am teaching you. The thing about this is if you get really good at buying, let's say, watches for a discount, you might make maybe $1,000 buying the watch and flipping it. But in real estate, if you get a house under contract for $300,000 and you have a buyer at $320,000, you won't make $1,000, you'll make $20,000. This is why I'm able to live the life of my dreams. Buy whatever I want, wherever I want, travel anywhere I want, because I'm not making thousands of dollars. I'm making tens and hundreds of thousands of dollars per deal. And it all comes down to just one simple thing. Make the calls, make the texts, post the bandit signs, post the digital bandit signs. Just do it. One call can change everything. Guys, cold calling has come back full steam in 2025 for wholesaling real estate. Remember all those agencies for finding wholesaling deals and these PPL people who are just getting SEO leads for $15 and selling them to you for $250, $300. Well, those days are over. SEO, PPC has really gotten super oversaturated and these PPL companies can't make enough money from you anymore. So what they have done is, okay, where do I get the cheapest leads that are the highest quality? What have I been saying for 7 years of my dang life here on the internet? Oh yeah, cold calling. And most of these services and a lot of these providers are just cold calling. That's what they're doing. They're doing everything I teach you to do. Except, yeah, it might cost them $15, $20 to get a really, really, really good lead, which is pretty on par if you have like a big system, I guess. I mean, you can do it for free. I teach you that. It's a little more work. And they're charging you $450, $500 for these type of leads. So they're making great business. I should make a business like that. But the thing is, all these people are going back to cold calling because that is what works. That's what the ROI is. That's where the success is, and that's where you need to be going out here in 2025. Now, we have all the systems. Guys, we have software that has free unlimited skip tracing now. Go to XLeads, check it out, it's awesome. But you don't even need that. There's other software that skip traces for free too, that's a little more manual, but you can still do it, right? You could use truepeoplesearch.com, cyberbackgroundchecks.com, right? There's so many other services like this that there's no excuse of you not knowing how it works. Everybody knows we have over 25,000 people in my free wholesaling community and course, freewholesaling.com. I just unveiled it almost 4 months ago, and we're getting hundreds of people joining every single day, and I'm truly blessed. And in there, I teach you exactly how to pull government lists, how to cold call, my scripts, tips, all these things completely for free. It's changed the entire game in wholesaling real estate. But it all starts with you taking action. This is where I look at you and tell you it's time for you to make money. You are paid in proportion to the problems you solve. And these rich landlords need some more rental properties. And you could be the difference between them buying a rental property for 250 grand or 220. And they're willing to pay you 10 or 20 grand for you to save them $20,000 or $30,000. You're providing a lot of value for them, and you're providing a lot of value to the marketplace. You are worth it. You can provide the value. You just gotta learn how to talk to sellers, how to close it, how to find these leads, and really in about a day of watching my videos or just going to wholesale.com, you'll have all the skill sets and the knowledge you needed to start closing deals. So what do you need to do? Like, how do we get started? What would I do? First and foremost, I go to wholesale.com. Again, my free real estate wholesaling course and community, be with a bunch of like-minded people. And the cool part is I have like 50 interviews of people in the past like year that have done my stuff and became super successful. So I think that's pretty cool. And I would just go through the entire wholesaling course and be in the community of other like-minded people. We do on this channel and on the Flip with Work channel, right? And wholesale.com, we show you all the live streams we do. We do over 5 live streams every single week for free. We'll go answer your questions and teach you anything you need to know about wholesaling real estate. Then from there, start pulling a list. Simple as that. Skip trace it. Start calling. Google Voice is a free dialer. You can use X Leads dialer, which is awesome too, and start getting to work. Now you might be like, okay, Zach, well, what type of list should I be calling here? I would highly recommend you go from the most motivated type of leads to call first, and then the least type of motivated leads to call last. So a good example is I would start pulling government lists, probates, code violations, fire damage properties, water shutoffs. I actually have a free spreadsheet of how you can click it in your local market and find it. It's pretty dang cool right there in freewholesaling.com. Also, I'd put drawing for dollars and reverse drawing for dollars with sticky notes in there. It's a great, amazing list to be going after. And then you keep going down the list. You probably get X leads data, right? The vacants, tired landlords, high equities. You go all the way down there too. But just start from the most motivated type of list to the least. In the free course, you'll learn exactly all that stuff. And then you just start calling. If I'm a young man, I'm a young woman getting in the game, I would probably set a goal to call at least 100 people a day. It's a nice number. It's a nice round triple digit number. And I think that's a really good place to be at. But I'm just begging you, be consistent. This game rewards people that stay the course and keep doing it. We're talking about it only takes one call to make $10,000. So you gotta be consistent buying your little lottery tickets and you'll have success. And if you're struggling being consistent, if you're a young guy, right, be very, very, very aware of how much screen time you have. Pop up your phone, see how much screen time's on your phone. If it's over 3 hours, we're gonna have to make some changes. We gotta get off social media, we gotta get off all this BS and just start making money. I would recommend you turn your screen into black and white mode. I would get rid of all the colors on your phone. You won't be doom scrolling on Instagram and Facebook anymore. Well, you're probably not on Facebook, TikTok. And you won't be scrolling TikTok all day if your phone's on black and white mode. If you're really serious about going monk mode or crazy or go all in, just put your phone, go to accessibility, put it on black and white, and you don't get color back on your phone until you start making money. Plenty of people like to survive with a phone without color. You'll do it. Your grandparents did it without TV with color. You can survive now. This might be the first thing or the first time in your life you've consistently just gone all in and become extremely disciplined in something. Maybe it's sports, maybe it's something else, but this might be for a select few of people or a majority, the first time you've been all in consistent on one thing. For that, I applaud you. But the real applause is when you have a check for $10,000 in your bank account by just wholesaling. Stop making your excuses. Cold calling works, texting works, reaching out to sellers works, lowballing works. It all works if you are willing to work. If you're ready to get started wholesaling real estate and getting to work to get rich, guys, I'm not asking you for money. All I'm asking you is for you to go out here and start talking to sellers. If you're ready to get started, go to freewholesaling.com, my free wholesaling course and community. And like always, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach Ginn signing out. Have a blessed one.